There are times when you'll want to place an image inside a shape in Affinity. The good news is, it's actually really simple. Let me show you how. I've already got an image here, and I'm going to grab a shape. Let's go with the cloud tool, because it looks fun. Then I'll draw it on the canvas. Then I'll position it onto the image and adjust it to the size that works for me. Now to put the image inside the cloud, all I need to do is drag the image layer onto the cloud layer. Once I release it, you can see the image is now clipped inside the cloud. If the image placement doesn't look right, you can move or resize it until it fits exactly the way you want. If you ever want to remove the image from the cloud, maybe you want to swap it with another one, just drag the image layer back out of the cloud. And that's pretty much it. Give it a try yourself. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day, and thanks for watching.